my mate Dani Venn is here and we're going to be cooking a delicious lunchbox filler. I like this.
I love a bit of meal prep, bit of a food hack as well.
Yep.
So this is a really good one to make at the start of the week and then you've got breakfast sorted, or you can pop it in your lunchbox for a snack.
Yep.
So they're bacon and egg. I'm kind of going to go with cupcakes. They're a little bit different to a normal cupcake though.
Absolutely.
I love loading up my dishes with a lot of veg. So
Yep.
I'm going to start, if you don't mind helping me,
Yes,
with
absolutely.
sauteing some delicious mushrooms.
Okay, how do you want me to chop these ones up? Thin slices?
Dice would be good. Yeah,
Okay.
a little bit of a dice would be lovely.
Okay.
I've got some fresh thyme there as well. And if you could saute that in some olive oil for me.
I'm onto it.
Okay, and I'm going to start on my pesto. Now, this is a little bit of a different pesto. It's dairy-free, so don't shoot me. It doesn't have Parmesan cheese in it. But it is a really good one, especially if you've got a dairy intolerance or you're just looking for something a little bit different, because this is also nut-free.
Great.
So it's a really good one, especially for a lunchbox where often you're not allowed to have nuts.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, oh, pesto that usually has the pine nuts in it. Great alternative.
Yeah,
So
it actually works so well. It's so creamy and honestly, this is a great one just as a little staple to have in your fridge.
Yeah.
You can pop it on some crackers, you could fold it through some pasta. So it's super versatile.
So you not only use basil but parsley too for this?
So I love using obviously basil in pesto,
Yeah.
but parsley, you could put some mint, you know, even a little bit of oregano.
Yeah,
Feel free to
absolutely.
experiment with what you have on hand, but yes, parsley, basil is a great combination.
Fantastic. Now I've chopped these up. I'm going to put them straight in the oil.
Yep, let's do that. Saute that off.
Good little sizzle. And a pinch of salt and some pepper.
Fabulous.
Oh, I can't forget to talk about another herb. You love your herbs.
I do.
Some thyme.
Some fresh thyme is great.
Okay, there it goes.
Now, of course, I'm using the sunflower seeds, but you can also mix it up with some pumpkin seeds as well. So you can use both if you like. I'm a fan of chilli, so I'm going to go in with a pinch of chilli, some chilli flakes, a nice hit of garlic, boost your immune system,
Yeah, absolutely.
and some fresh lemon juice as well.
Great. Okay, nice.
Yeah, just something nice and acidic.
And in with some really good quality extra virgin olive oil. Yes. Right.
Beautiful.
Great.
I'm just going to put it, I can't help myself. I just need to keep putting a little bit more basil in there.
Why not?
It smells so good.
Smells great.
Now, Josie, I'm going to blend this.
Yep.
If you could crack me some eggs, that would be perfect.
I'd love to.
Now, Justine, this is definitely a different kind of bacon and eggs.
Yes.
Well, we've got
love
our
bacon and eggs.
beautiful mushrooms, lovely pesto, and instead of just frying off your bacon, I'm going to cut the bacon into some strips.
Okay.
And we're going to use this to line our muffin tray. So this
Right.
is where I bring in like the little cupcake
Yes.
terminology. So just, I mean, you could probably just go straight down the middle.
Okay. Well, you're using a shorter cut there.
Yeah, I mean, you could use streaky bacon if that's all you had, but this one is perfect as well. So we can line our muffin pan just with a little bit of bacon. So we're kind of creating like a little cupcake case with our
Very
bacon.
nice.
So if I could get you to put in a little bit of our mushrooms,
Sure thing.
they smell delicious.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, top with some of our egg.
How much egg?
Just maybe halfway up. It will expand as
Yep.
it cooks.
Okay.
And then I'm going to pop on about a teaspoon of our pesto. That's just going to give it a really beautiful flavour. So once we fill this up, we can pop it into our oven. We're going to bake for around about 20 minutes
Yep.
until the eggs are cooked through at about 180 degrees.
Very nice. Well, these look delightful, don't they?
Thank you. Look, I love them because they're just like one little compact parcel of goodness.
Yeah, and look, these are still warm, but you can have them at room temperature, no problems at all.
Definitely. So you can dig in straight away and you can obviously pop them into your fridge in a container.
I know you like your chilli, so some extra chilli for those who like the chilli.
And I love basil as well, some fresh basil. So I'm going to borrow a little bit from your plant here if you don't mind.
Absolutely, that's what it's there for.
Pop that on top.
Danny, I really like this idea when you get sick of doing the same old sandwich day in, day out. You want something different. This is what we should turn to. Shall we have a little
High
taste?
protein.
Yes.
A bit of a different bacon and eggs, and I want you to taste and tell me if you think they're delicious.
Looks great. Yum. Yum, yum, yum.